together with Jenny Tamayo from BSIT2A. For today's video, we're going to present the database of our web app, which is the Little Things to Do.
The database we created is designed for managing simple tasks. Ito ang database structure na ginagamit ng sample system namin, which is called the Little Things to Do. Isang basic task management concept na may task, due dates, at categories. Kaya, yung database namin may tables for task, set due date, categories. Our goal is to organize information properly and demonstrate how SQL is used to store, retrieve, update, and manage data.
First, we created our main tables using the create table command. Here, makikita nyo, gumawa kami ng task table with columns such as due date, category, and status. This defines the structure of our data. Kumbaga, ito yung selection ng database. Next, we inserted sample record using insert into. Dito namin nilagay ang example tulad ng school tasks, personal reminders, at work-related. This show how data is added to database.
Then, we used update to modify existing information. For example, if the user changes the task status from pending to completed, ganito siya ginagawa using SQL. We also demonstrated the delete statement, but in our system design, we don't really delete tasks permanently. We only show this command for demonstration since part ito ng SQL competencies.
Finally, we use the select command to retrieve and view data. This is one of the most important SQL command because dito lumalabas lahat ng records na nililagay natin sa database.
To summarize briefly, create table means creates the structure of the database. Insert into means adds new information. Update means modifies existing records. Delete, it removes data. And select, it retrieves data from the database. These commands are the foundation of SQL essential for any database.
So, through this activity, we learn how important SQL is sa pag-handle ng data. Also, nakita namin kung gaano ka-organize dapat ang database and how each command works together to manage information smoothly. Natutunan din namin ang importance ng planning, especially pagdating sa table structure. Kailangan tama ang relationship, data types, at constraints. Overall, this activity helped us understand the real-world use of SQL